got a normal deck of playing cards right over here. As you can see, all the cards are in random order and are shuffled up. So let me just give it one last shuffle, just like so. Alright, so now at this point what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make some random piles from this deck. So let's start. This is pile number 1. Let's make this pile number 2. Let's make this pile number 3. Let's make this pile number 4. And right now I can also give it some quick shuffles if I want to, and now I'll start making the piles. Alright, so now as you can see that these cards are not actually sufficient to make a pile, so I'm gonna keep them right off to the side right over there, and we have here these 6 piles. Alright, so now at this point what's gonna happen is we're gonna be taking out some piles. So what I want my spectator to do here is just select any 2 piles. So let's say the spectator selects this one and maybe this one. So I'm gonna take these piles out just like so, and I'm gonna mix them with these remainder cards just like so. And now we have here 4 random piles. Alright, so now at this point here's basically what's going to happen. So I'm going to flip over the top cards of each of these piles. These are random cards, as you can see, and they are actually 2 of hearts, 3 of hearts, 8 of diamonds and 7 of spades. Alright, so now I'm going to add up the values of these cards, and it's actually 20. So let's see how many cards are here in this pile. And I know you would be impressed if it was 20, right? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20.